वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे.
Sir, Gandhiji strongly believed in non-violence and truth. In today's fast-paced and often aggressive world, do you think these principles still hold value? How can students practice them in daily life?
Non-violence and truth are two very important virtues on which our entire life depends. These two virtues can never become irrelevant. Still, we can practice them. But in this world which has become very selfish, it has become tough to practice these two virtues. Because we become very self-centered. Non-violence is a virtue wherein you just do not abstain from hitting somebody physically. You have to practice non-violence even in thoughts. You can violently hit anybody's thought, anybody's thinking process. हम किसी के विचारों के प्रति भी हिंसा रख सकते हैं. तो हमें अहिंसा अपने आचरण में लानी है. Non-violence has to be a way of life where we exist and everybody else exists too. Because humanity will always bloom in coexistence. We cannot become islands कि हम लोग अकेले हो गए हैं. Society has to survive and it has to survive on the principle of non-violence. Similarly, you got to practice truth in this world that has become very flashy, very virtual, where we live by the norms of the society. We have read in the newspapers that people have been queuing up for iPhone, the new version of iPhone, for 12 hours, 14 hours. Why? You're not now known by the virtues that you possess. You're known by the things that you own. Now, which is a very pseudo kind of living. We are not being original. So when you deny being original, you are practicing untruth. So you got to exercise, practice being original. You have to take pride in whoever you are. If you cannot take pride in whoever you are, then you are living a false life and then you are not practicing truth. So how children or how students can practice this? Well, it has to come first from your upbringing, your sanskars, your parents, how they treat you. You've got to take lessons from them. You've got to exercise self-restraint to be true, because truth faces storms, it faces offenses, it faces resistance. सत्य का हमेशा विरोध होता है, और सत्य का विरोध अगर हम में सहन करने की शक्ति है तो हम सत्य को अपने जीवन में उतार सकते हैं. अब आपके अंदर वो विवेक होना चाहिए कि यदि हमें सत्य की राह पर चलना है तो हमें कोई भी नहीं रोक सकता. लेकिन हमको अगर शॉर्टकट चाहिए सक्सेस के लिए, और शॉर्टकट हमेशा डिजास्टर की ओर ले जाता है. ट्रूथ का रास्ता लंबा होता है. सत्य परेशान हो सकता है मगर पराजित नहीं. अगर ये विश्वास हमारे अंदर है तो गांधी जी के प्रिंसिपल्स कभी भी अप्रासंगिक, इररिलेवेंट नहीं हो सकते.